You've just got to become the bike.
G'day viewers, my name's Ashley and welcome to my workshop. Come on in. You know, people always go on about marginal gains and they go and spend a lot of money, trying to get those marginal gains so they can be a bit faster than their mates or they can win races where they otherwise wouldn't do. But I'm going to show you that you don't need to spend a lot of money on marginal gains. You can actually just work on your bike yourself and you can do things the right way and you'll actually make your bike maybe 10 or 20% faster, better at cornering or stopping. Now, I started racing bikes on both the road and the track when I was 9.5 years old in outback Australia. And the closest bike shop was over 100 kilometers away. So really, I just had to learn how to fix my bike myself. By the time I was getting any good at racing, my coach used to make me fix my own bike. And then if anything went wrong at a race, I couldn't blame anyone else. And through that, I learned how to make the bike faster, more efficient, and more reliable. Now, this is really important in racing, but really, it's really important as your machine that you use every day. I'm here to guide you through these fundamentals and show you the best ways I've found in the last 40 years of working on bikes in the bush and also for prestigious bike manufacturers. The other thing I'm going to show you is to do jobs in the right order, because the problem with the bike is it's an all-encompassing machine. And so if you don't do things in the right order, you end up having to come back and redo things that you've already done. Now, whether you're working on a bike or you're riding it, what you've got to remember is the rider is part of that beautiful machine. And so to get things right, you really do have to become the bike. Stick with me and I'll show you how to do things the right way and you'll love your bike more than you ever have before. So come on in. What are you waiting for?